WiseApp. Convert any currency instantly. Here you can see that in my account I have a Philippine peso and a Thai baht currency, which is the exact amount if I convert my Philippine peso to baht. In this video, I'll show how I convert my Philippine peso to Thai baht. My account in Thai baht has only 0.87 baht. Now, to convert, I click my Philippine peso account, then click Convert. Here I can choose any amount that I want to convert. In this video, I'll convert all of it. What I like about this app, aside from it's super fast to process, is that you can see everything. The breakdown of your transaction, their fees, which is fair enough for me, and the rate, how much exactly you get, and also when are you going to get the money. Just check all the details before proceeding to the next step. And that's it, fast and easy. Now, let's try another currency. USD to Thai baht. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.